Brought in by Kennich. Centers it. A quick chance. Score! On Kennich.
Murray almost threw that in his own net.
A long shot. Score! Now Dogovic sends it back in front of Chance. They score!
Viņi teica to, ka netiksim tik tālu. Ja būtu bailes tagad nomest savas, es ticu.
Pass on a line change. We heard Buchards in, shoot, scores! Buchards gives.
Kā lai visi to dzird, tas līmenis par zemu, kāpēc stāvam mēs virs drosmi.
Lenient interpretation of that wasn't a play on the face-off.
Parsons with the steal, moves in the back, hand shot, snap, rebound.
Kāpties nekad nebūs par vēlu, bet lai atdod savas, es esmu
Parsons has the empty net, scored! Parsons looks for the empty net. Trying to find a lane, he shoots, score! Loose. Back with a chance, rebounds.
Sticky game.
Brooks in, shoots, scores! Racing to get to that. Lead pass, comes Kennich again, walks in, little backhand shot, scores!
Barstad? Sweden?
Rubens goes in and shoots, scores! Yaks with a hard shot, glove down by Santori, loose in front. And now Zirkle, the shot, scores!
Bez cīņas netiks te atdots nekas, neveiks var salauzt visus, bet varoņus nekad. Mērķis tu, ja to redz dabas acis, un nekas nav svarīgāks par to, ka tici sev pats. Tā nav spēle.
Down at center ice by Sabalskas. Sutnings. Up for Darzic, Darzic the backhand shot, score!
Ko iesāk, mēs esam šeit un tagad, mēs esam pareizajā vietā. Lai vārdu vietā runā darbi, un lai tie pārējie tik cer. No mērķiem.
Dangerous game the Germans are playing. Here comes Latvia 3-on-1. Abel winds it back, takes a return pass and shoots, scores! Rodriguez.